Hello, everyone. You're welcome. Good morning from this side, and this is Ike Phelim for the Ike Phelim Adventure Series. Okay, I am excited this morning. Why? Because my solar panels have arrived. I placed order for some panels, and they have arrived. Eight in number and 170 watts each, making a total of 1,380 for the solar array for now. So I have an inverter which I got, which I've arrived to. It's a 5 kVA and 48 volts. I have some batteries which I also placed an order for, and they have also arrived. I have the charge controller, which is an MPPT charge controller, smart charge controller, very intelligent. And soon and slow and steady, one step at a time, we should be assembling our off-grid system. So for the panels that just arrived, which I'll be showing you shortly, they have a 25 years warranty, and they are also rated and called German technology, something, 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 all written on the carton. So when we get there, we'll see and learn and know what's going on there. And hopefully, when we test them and put them up for operations, they will work fine. This off grid stuff and all that, I hope it's the right step to take for my investment in my farming operations and in my garden, the fish farm, the hatchery, and all that I'm doing here. So, if you have suggestions and comments, please, I am learning. We are all learning. Leave them in the comment section and I'll read them and I'll reply. And we all study together in this great adventure. We catch the fun together. Okay? I Phelim here. Please do not fail to hit the like button and subscribe and share. Let's quickly see the panels and come back. Okay. Okay, I'm so happy today. My panels have arrived for our solar project. We are going off grid. These panels are rated 170 watt monocrystalline panels, and right here it says BestCom Tech Germany technology. So I was able to get 8 pieces of this, 8 pieces of 170 watts. That's about 1,360 watts of solar power. I can't wait to get these guys installed. Wow. We are going off grid. Off grid. So we're starting with 1,360 watts of solar panels. My inverter I ordered from China. It's a low frequency 5,000 watts power inverter hybrid. So this is good. This is so good. BestCom Tech Germany technology. Solar panel 170 watt mono. Right here it says best choice, 25 years warranty. So this is nice. Nice. Ike Phelim adventure going off grid. The solar panels are fine, 25 years warranty, 8 pieces of 170 watt each, making a total of 1,360 in my array for now, because I have plans to increase them. My target actually is to get to like 5K for the array. So I'll be using like 2 different charge controllers. And eventually I'll be using lithium batteries because they are better than AGM. What I have right now are AGM batteries. Okay. Now, going green, going off grid, renewable energy for farming operations, for my hatchery, for my fish farm, for the poultry section, and everything that's happening in my garden. Let's just talk about this quickly. Okay, so I'm thinking that this is the right step to take for so many reasons. One, in this part of the world where we are in, we are having problems with having constant electricity. Using the diesel and the petrol generators won't work. They just will not work. Imagine running 21 days, 24 hours a day, trying to hatch chicken eggs. No way. You're going to spend so much money on fuel. You're going to spend so much money fixing your generator for degradation and maintenance. And it's not just going to be worth. For the economics of it, it's not worth it. For the lifespan of the generator, the gas generator is not worth it. That's why I decided to go green. That's why I decided to go for solar. And I think from all what I have seen and heard and researched online, solar is a good option. But it is actually expensive to get started because for you to get good power from solar, good energy from solar, 24 hours, knowing that you're fully off grid, you'll spend some money. In your panels, you spend some money. In your inverter, you spend some money. Mostly in storage, which is the battery. Okay, so since the sun does not come out all time of the day, when it's night time, you just have to fall back to the batteries. And when it's daytime again, the panels start charging the battery while you continue enjoying your light. So that being said, in few days I'll be fixing up my solar system with you guys. So we're gonna fix it together. We set up the panels, we set up the charge controller, we set up the batteries, connect with the inverter, the cables, and all that. And we'll put it on and see how it works. The part of the world where I am in, it's a good place for solar stuff because we have lots and lots and lots of sunshine. Even in the wet season, when it's raining, the sun still comes out. Solar is a good option for me because where I am, in my geographic location, we have lots and lots of sunshine, sunlight hours, more than 9 hours per day. So it's gonna be good, I think. It's gonna be good, I believe. Well, that's it for now, guys. I see you in the installation. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And have a nice day. Peace.